Hello class! In this video you are going to learn about some very popular English-speaking countries. You are also going to know a little bit more about their traditional dishes and also some activities that you can do in these countries. The United States of America. New Haven, Connecticut is recognized as the birthplace of hamburgers. Apple pies are a sweet treat that is a national institution. The combination of sugar and apple slices make it irresistible. Some spring activities in the United States. New Orleans is the birthplace of jazz music, and you can enjoy this art form everywhere. You can celebrate the Native American culture at Powwow, which is open to the public. Canada. Butter tarts consist of delicate crust and creamy center of butter. Beaver tails are a flattened donut without a hole and can be topped with Nutella, sugar, and other sweets. Some activities you can enjoy in Canada. Churchill, Canada is the polar bear capital of the world, and you can come face to face with a wild polar bear with Tundra Boogie Adventure. You can travel to British Columbia, Nova Scotia, and Newfoundland to enjoy the Northern Lights.